इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे डिफरेंस बिटवीन एटीट्यूड और एप्टीट्यूड। ओके, सो एटीट्यूड और एप्टीट्यूड में क्या डिफरेंस है हम देखते हैं। 3 से 4 पॉइंट्स पर डिफरेंस देख लेते हैं। देखिए, व्हाट इज एटीट्यूड? एटीट्यूड इज रिलेटेड टू एग्जिस्टिंग एबिलिटीज एंड स्किल्स विद सर्टेन परसेप्शंस। इट इज हाउ अ पर्सन परसीव्स समथिंग। ओके, and what is aptitude? Aptitude is the potential or ability to acquire skills, abilities and knowledge. It is more about management of a problem or situation. Okay, so what is attitude? Attitude is already existing in you. What is your attitude? That is already existing in you, and it is how you perceive something. You perceive something in a good way or you perceive something in a bad way. It all depends on your attitude. But what is aptitude? Aptitude is the skill. We can say that aptitude is the skill to do a task. You can see here aptitude is the potential or ability to acquire skill. That is, aptitude can be acquired as well, but attitude is inbuilt in you. Inbuilt in you, that how you perceive a thing, it develops over a long period of time. Okay, and aptitude is also more about the management of a problem or situation. And see here, attitude is positive or negative or indifferent feeling towards a person, object, event or idea. So what is attitude? Attitude may be positive, it may be negative, or it may be indifferent feeling towards a person, object, event or an idea. Okay, and what is aptitude? Aptitude is competency or ability to do certain kind of work. So what is aptitude? Aptitude is your skills to do a certain type of work, and attitude is a feeling of positiveness or negativeness, or you can perceive a thing in a different way depending on how you take the thing. And what is aptitude? Aptitude is the competency or ability to do a certain kind of work. And attitude is associated, see here, attitude is associated with character or virtues. It means attitude depends upon underlying values. So what are your values? On what things you believe, or what is your belief system, on that your attitude will be formed. But aptitude is associated with skill enhancement, learning and training. So we can say attitude is associated with character or virtues, and attitude means it depends upon your underlying values, how your values are within you, on what things you believe. All those factors will help you in the formation of attitude. But aptitude is associated with skill enhancement, learning and training. And attitude is more mental and psychological process. Okay, attitude is more mental and psychological process. Attitude means a person's attitude is intrinsic and is shaped through his thoughts. Okay, and aptitude is both mental and physical. To develop an aptitude, both physical means, say visual means, and mental processes are important. So अगर एक एग्जाम्पल देना हो, मान लीजिए आपके पास 2 + 2 इज इक्वल टू 4। अगर इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है तो यू नीड एप्टीट्यूड। एप्टीट्यूड मीन्स यू नीड स्किल सेट। ओके, and for example, if you are given a food or if you are given a yellow color and you have to develop a perception, for example, you have a bad perception regarding yellow color, so that is your attitude. Someone's perception towards the yellow color may be good, but your perception towards the yellow color is bad, so that is your attitude. But if you have to solve a problem, 2 + 2 is equal to 4, in that case you need aptitude. What? Because aptitude is the ability to solve a problem or ability to do a particular task. Okay, so these differences you have to keep in the mind, and the main point you have to remember that aptitude is the competency or ability to do certain kind of work, and attitude is embedded in your thoughts or embedded in your action. How you perceive a thing, how you take a thing, that is known as your attitude, and the skill you require to do a particular task is known as your aptitude. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.